Now, we're going to make a drum loop. And one of the keys, a couple of the keys to making realistic sounding drum loops is like velocities and stuff like grace notes. Because when your real drummer is playing on the hi-hat, he's not hitting them all at the same time. And he's always like touching the snare and making those little hits. And that's what makes it sound authentic. This is in 3/4. Let me see. We're going to do this eighth note triplets. We're going to start with a hi-hat. 2. Okay. That's the basic hat pattern. We're going to add to that. For now, we're going to do a kick and a snare. Sounds pretty basic, sounds pretty good. We're going to look at these velocities now. Stagger them a bit. Those are the hats. Make the third one a little softer sometimes. I'm in Cubase, by the way. Now we're going to add, I've got this, I'm using, the drum sound I'm using is Battery Pop Kit. It's from Native Instruments. Now I'm going to put some grace notes. We have those little grace notes like that. Let me do that again. Put this to 16th note triplets. We have this also, that sound too. That little roll sound. Now we're going to look at these and make sure everything is placed properly. And copy that over. Make this one really soft. What does this sound like? Yeah. First one, you can barely hear it. It's just... And you can mess with the timing a little bit. Pull them a little off the beat so it's not quite so mechanical sounding. Actually, I want to pull this the other way. There we go. Yeah. We'll do the same thing on this side. Make this a little softer. We'll put also some little extra hi-hat touches. There we go. Gonna move that one there. And these are all gonna be very soft. We're gonna move them. You may or may not need them. No, not helpful. Actually, I think that's it. Maybe another kick. And we can take some of these hits and move them off ever so slightly. It's more felt and not heard when you do that. But I think this is a pretty good sounding drum loop for, you know, an old school, like 3/4 time, you know, gospel tune or whatever. Yeah. Maybe lower these all a little bit. Yes. It's much better than having just a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You know, this gives it life, makes it feel real.